I have heard some very positive things from friends, and I was at my wit's end because of a storm damage on my roof, and I needed someone to come out here ASAP, and they were highly recommended that they would do that and diagnose the problem. The gentleman that came out, very much on time, very professional, brought his ladder. I was outside, talked to me as he was looking at the problem, and then told me what avenues they were going to take to fix it. Well, because I was working part-time in the mornings, they worked around my schedule to get it taken care of, which I really appreciated. And then once they were out again, I was outside, they were talking to me about what needed to be done, and they got it done. Yes, I'm going to say the first thing, there was absolutely no pressure for me to get a new roof. They examined my roof, told me maybe some smaller areas that might need some attention down the road, but I appreciated the fact that they were not here to pressure me into getting a new roof. I'm going to say honesty was the first one. I really appreciated the fact that they were honest with me. They told me what needed to be done. Again, no pressure, and the timing. They were able to fix it according to my schedule, which you have no idea how that was very helpful. Yes, I got to say the first person that I came in contact with was a gentleman named Jeremy. He was responding to my questions, my calls. In fact, I even recommended neighbors to call Jeremy when they had some roofing issues, and he took care of that. The first one I always give, even to my own family, is you get what you pay for. And that's exactly what Kanga Roof is about. I wasn't expecting anything real high or low, but they came on time. They coordinated all their phone calls with me. Again, I will say that they worked with me, and the professionalism from day one. Yes, timing. Calling, returning my phone calls, answering my questions, and then even I would say I recommended them to several neighbors who hired them because of those same qualities.